Howdy everybody. So we're out here drilling a well today, and I figured I'd make this quick video and show you something that's pretty rare, pretty awesome. Let's take a look. So we still have the drill set up on the hole, and we stopped at 245, and check it out. Right now we're about to pump grout around the outside, but the water naturally flows out of the top of the well at probably 8 to 10 gallons a minute. So we have a natural artesian water well, and as cool and as neat as it is, it's actually a big problem, because where is all that water going to go? So in this situation, it's not too bad, because if you look back there, there's a creek, but the creek is probably 30 feet below where we are here, and the location where we are in North Carolina, it's not a very high producing area. We actually have a lot of struggles trying to find water here, and then we run into something like this, which is kind of crazy. But a natural flowing well, that is wild. Now, how do you fix something like this and prevent a giant pond in your yard or a big wet swampy area? So what you have to do, you have to dig down about 2 feet, and you drill a big hole in the side of the casing, and you put a pitless adapter in the side of the casing, and you go away with either 1 inch or 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches, whatever diameter will naturally take the volume of water that it's feeding. And then you will trench away and trench your pipe down the hill, and have to exit it typically either near a ditch or a creek or a drain or whatever the case may be, but here it's just going to flow to the creek. So we'll have to do that when we come to install the pump system, and I don't know whether the homeowner is going to be happy about this or mad about it, but at the end of the day, he's got a boatload of water, and that's all that should matter. Well, thank y'all for watching. Have a good one.